Greetings to everyone on the Brave Trade channel. In this video, today's trading will be unconventional, specifically because Heiken Ashi candles will be used in today's trading session. They differ from regular Japanese candles as they reduce more market noise. Well, before starting this video, I recommend subscribing to this channel and liking it so you don't miss new videos. And also leave any comment. Also guys, I will leave the link to the official website of the broker I will be trading on in the description, as well as in the pinned comment under this video. Friends, let's set up the chart for trading appropriately. Go to the first tab and select Heiken Ashi here, interval M1. Now directly guys, we can start trading and begin opening positions. I will also be trading today on the breakout of the level, and we'll see from there. I will invest 30 bucks today. Now I will build the first resistance level, and guys, I will enter if the price breaks this level. The price is currently, as we can see, approaching the upper boundary of our level. The breakout has occurred, and I am now entering the trade guys. I will be in this position for a minute, and the total amount I have invested is $30. I am excited to share that, friends. This is indeed great with all of you. Our first trade, as we can see, closed in profit. So guys, when trading with this strategy, I recommend paying attention to the size of the candles. As we can see, there was a small green candle here. Then, as we can see, each subsequent candle increased in size. The body of the candle became larger and larger. This indicates the strength of the price movement upwards. Currency pair Australian dollar franc OTC. Quickly set the resistance area. I am adding this currency pair to favorites, and now I am waiting for the price to approach the upper boundary of our level. So, the level has been broken, opening at 30 bucks for an upward movement for a minute. That's it guys, we are in, waiting for the trade to close. So here we have a loss guys, but it's okay guys, this happens in the market. Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, Australian dollar, dollar. Here we have a level, as we can see, a good support level. There is our support level. That's it guys. And now we also wait for the price to approach our support area from above, adding the currency pair to favorites and waiting for the price to approach. Also guys, let's look for more situations in the market. Here is some currency pair. As we can see, there is a good upward trend here. Let's go for a buy for 3 minutes. Why did we enter guys? Because as we can see, we currently have an upward trend here. As we can see. Next, our lows guys are rising. There are quite a few red candles indicating a downward direction. Therefore, I decided to enter in the direction of the trend. For the currency pair Canadian dollar to franc, quickly setting a resistance level. Let's also add the currency pair to favorites. Added. That's it. We are waiting for the price to approach. For the euro-dollar currency pair in OTC, we also have a resistance level. I am currently adding this currency pair to favorites, and also actively waiting for the price to closely approach the resistance level. I am monitoring the situation and developments in the market. As we can see friends, the price is trending upwards. Now we just have to wait. Great job guys. The second trade today closed beautifully in profit, following the trend. Now let's find the next situation. So guys, I entered a buy position because, as we can see, there was a retracement on the previous candle. It seems like it would be better not to enter a trade here, but if we look at the previous price movement, the first thing we can see is the rising lows. Second, the current trend is upward, and on this candle, we can see the fourth approach to the upper boundary of the resistance area, which may indicate that the price will likely break through this level. I decided to enter with $30 upwards. Friends, we closed our trade in profit, just as I said. The price has broken through this level. As we can see, it has gone beyond the upper boundary of this level. Let's look for the next situations. Canadian francs. The price is almost at the upper boundary of our level, and it is likely to break through now, so I will enter a buy position. So, let's open here guys, with $30 upwards. Great! We opened perfectly at the start of a new candle. Well guys, that's another profit. As we can see, we are closing another trade in profit. In general guys, there was only one loss in today's trading session. Today was quite a productive trading session. Well, with that friends, I will be wrapping up. Thank you all for watching. I wish everyone successful trading and goodbye.